Welcome to today's video. Today we're focusing on constructing a perpendicular bisector. What we're going to do, again, if you can have this up in a separate window, that's great. If not, take notes and watch, and then open TestNav. We're on question 6 still. For a perpendicular bisector, the thing to keep in mind, perpendicular, it meets at a right angle. Bisector means it's cutting it into two equal parts. I'm going to start with my compass tool, and I'm going to put it on A, and I'm going to extend it so that my compass goes more than halfway. It doesn't matter how far, as long as it's more than halfway. Once it's there, I'm going to make a giant arc, both above and below the line. Without adjusting the compass, we want to take the part that's on point A and drag that down to my other endpoint, in this case, point B. We don't want to adjust the length. We don't want to adjust it. From here, we're going to, again, make an arc. Make sure this time your arcs intersect your first arc. It doesn't have to be a huge intersection, but it needs to intersect both above and below my line that I'm making the perpendicular bisector for. From here, using the line segment tool, I want to connect my points where they intersect. So I'm going to connect from the first intersection to my second intersection. Now, on the SOL or on any practice items, it's going to look like this as your construction. To show you, I'm going to get rid of my two arcs. If we notice, I now have a perpendicular bisector. It meets at a right angle, and my side, if I call this point C, this now tells me AC is congruent to BC. It also tells me that AC is perpendicular to, in this case, C. We can call it CD. So again, I just erased the arcs to show you that it was perpendicular. On your test or on any practice items, it will have both the arcs there. So make sure the arcs go more than halfway, and then you're just going to connect your arcs.